Hello students, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from LPM Public School, Gola Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class, 10th physics. And as you know, your light chapter is going on. In light chapter, reflection I have discussed already, reflection of light. And now refraction of light is going on. And today I will discuss about the image formation by convex lens. For the 6 cases of image formation I have discussed in my previous video. As you know, there is 6 cases for which we have to discuss according to syllabus of 10th class. So 3 cases I have discussed in previous class. Now remaining 3 cases I will discuss today. Okay, so this is 4th case. In this case, first position of object. Position of object. So in this case, the position of object between f dash and 2f dash. As you know, this point is also known as f1 and c2 that I have used in a previous video. So you can say this point is f dash and this is 2f dash. Okay, and the focus point at f and double of focal length is 2f. This point 2f2 and c1. I have discussed in my previous video what is f1, what is c2, what is f2 and what is c1. That is first principal focus, second principal focus, center of curvature for first surface and center of curvature for second surface. That is first surface and that is second surface. And you can denote it this point as f dash and this point is 2f dash and f2 is f and c1 is 2f. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now in 4th case, the position of object between 2f dash and f. This position of object between 2f dash and f dash. Now we have to find position of image nature of image and size of image. Okay, so let an object A be placed in front of a convex lens. A ray of light travel parallel to principal axis from point A, it is the top point of object, and travel parallel to principal axis. As you know, this is principal axis. After refraction, it passed through the focus point. Okay, let another ray start from point A and passing through the optical center. Passing through the optical center. As you know, when ray of light passing through the optical center, it moves without deviation. It moves without deviation. And at this point they intersect to each other. It means at this point we obtain the image of this object. This is AB and that is image B dash A dash. Okay, I hope you understood. A ray travel parallel to the principal axis, incident at point P. After refraction, it passed through the focus point. Another ray passed through optical center, and both rays intersect at the point A dash, and at the point of intersect of two rays, the image is obtained. So this is the image of the given object, that is object. So position of image beyond 2f. It is the position of image. And nature of image, as you can see, that is real and inverted. As you know, the image obtained in front of lens, it means same side of object is virtual and the another side is real. So it means the image is real and inverted. Okay, and size of image, as you can see in the diagram, the image is larger than object. It means you can say the size of image is magnified. Okay, so we have to write out this point and you have to draw the ray diagram. Both are important. You have to know how to draw ray diagram and the fourth point, where the position of object and where is the position of image, and nature and the size of image. Okay, so now this is fourth case. Now I am going to discuss about the fifth case. Case fifth. This is convex lens position of object. In this case, the object placed at focus in front of lens, between at f lens. Let an object AB, you can write language, let an object AB placed in front of a lens. A ray of light starts from the top between at point A. Refraction will take place, and after refraction, these rays of light pass through focus. Object placed at first principal focus, and after refraction, the ray of light pass through second principal focus, that is F. Okay, now the another ray of light pass through optical center, and after reflection, it gets refraction without any deviation, and you can see these rays of light travel parallel to each other. Parallel to each other mean these rays of light never intersect to each other. Then you can say that the position of image at infinity nature of image. What is the nature? Nature is real and invertible. And fourth, size of image is highly magnified. Okay, so you have to write all this point, and this is the ray diagram. So I hope you understand about the fifth case and about this ray diagram. So you have to note the point and the ray diagram in your notebook. Now I am going to discuss about the sixth case, and this is the last case that we have to discuss according to syllabus of 10th. And this case is very important because in this case it is different from all other cases, and only in this case the image is virtual. So this is very important. This is convex lens. In this case, position of object. Between focus point and optical center. It means that this is F as the object placed between optical center O and the focus point. Okay. Now I am going to draw the ray diagram for this case. This is last case 6. Position of object between focus point F dash and optical center O. So a ray of light and this is object AB. You can write language. Object AB placed in front of lens. A ray of light start from point A and travel parallel to the principal axis. Okay. Then refraction will take place, and after refraction, the rays of light travel or pass through the second focus point. It means from F. Let another ray of light pass through the optical center and as you can see, these rays of light are not parallel. These rays of light are like this, they never intersect to each other, but they are not parallel. They are not parallel, but never intersect behind the lens. But when these rays of light produce in front, when these rays of light produce in same side of object, then you can see these rays of light appear to meet in front of lens. It means they appear to meet at the same side of the object, and at this point they intersect to each other. So at this point the image is obtained. As you know, the image is obtained when the rays of light intersect to each other after refraction, and these rays of light are never intersect behind the lens, and these rays of light are not parallel to each other. So when they produce backward, then they appear to meet in front of lens. Okay, so at this point the image is obtained. This is A dash B dash. So as you can see, position of image is in front of lens. Or as you can say, same side of object in front of lens, and the nature is virtual. Because as you know, the image obtained in front of lens is virtual and erect, because this is straight and this side, as you can see, this side is magnified. So you have to write all these 4 points. This is very important case, because as you can see, only in this case the image is virtual and erect, and this is very important ray diagram. You have to know about how to draw ray diagram. So this is very important ray diagram. Okay, so I hope you understood, and the next video I will explain about refractive index and lens formula, and after that we will start the numerical based on this chapter. So you have to try to draw the ray diagram, and you have to know the position of image for various position of object. Okay, thank you very much.